Let's talk a little bit about monetizing, which we've already discussed. The biomass, the rates are down. Can you go to the next slide, please? You may want to take a photo of this because as of November, this is where your rates are sitting. For CBD biomass, your low per pound, per percent per pound, your low was 55 cents. Your high was $2.90. That's not the $3 or $4 that they're talking about. Now let's go down to CBG biomass. Look at the difference. From 55 cents on the low side to $13.15 on the low side. That's per pound. Now go down into your crude hemp oil. You can see the rate at the low side, $550 per kilo. On the high side, which is not seen anywhere, $1,483 per kilo. Good luck. Let's go down further. Look at your distillate, okay? Your distillate broad spectrum, 2,500 at the low end, which is promising, 5,000 at the highest end. Look at your distillate THC-free. You're at 2,850 at the low end, and what does that say? 5,360 the high end. I mean, you can see, as what Billy's done, taking it to THC-free distillate is the way to go. It's the most valuable. But good luck finding one that is trustworthy and that's not going to take all the money from your pocket. Call Billy if you need some help there. Next slide. Just another quick update from Pan Exchange. This is a different market research group. Colorado winterized crude is down to 1,225. Full spectrum, 3,050. Isolate, 3,000. And isolate, by the way, is a step beyond distillate. It is the CBD in its purest form. There are issues with isolate and at the Dialects, which is a company out of the UK. It's not important for right now. Your best bet is to extract into a distillate and sell the distillate. Go to the next slide. Let's look at some market trends over the past few months, okay, starting in April of 19. Your biomass is being sold at about $4.50 per percent per pound. Look at what it drops down to in November 19, $1.81. So you can see month after month your rates drop. Now why does that happen? Why do your rates decrease as the harvest season is among us? Well, it's because of the flooded market. You harvest, you've got all this biomass on it around, people are buying stuff, the market is flooded. Now is not the time to sell your biomass or your distillate or anything else. The best time, as you can see, is April or earlier in the year. Next slide. Let's talk about hemp nationwide. What's your expected crop yields per acre? The majority of people said we expect 500 to 1,000 pounds per acre on a dry weight basis. That's small. If you're planting 2,000 plants per acre, you should expect a minimum of 1 pound dry per plant. That's a good grow, 1 pound dry per plant. And at 2,000 plants an acre, that's 2,000 pounds. So nobody's really expecting to get there, but that is ideal. And as Sheldon mentioned, we did average 2.2 dry pounds per plant in Oregon. Next slide. What is the generic cost per acre for your hemp crop this year? How much did it cost you per acre to grow the stuff? Some people claim less than 5,000, others 5 to 10,000. Real world situation, your first year especially, you could put $8,000 to $12,000 into your every acre. Some cases it's been more than $15,000 per acre. That's seed, that's equipment, that's labor, that's expensive. So you need to understand that getting involved in the hemp industry is not just this huge moneymaker with little effort. It costs a lot to get involved. To get your foot in the door, your seed expense, your equipment, it's high. Your prices only increase as you continue to grow, and fertilizer, and crop care, everything else. It does not, it's more than you think. So please do your due diligence, study, prepare yourself for the road ahead. It's a fairly expensive, Very labor-intensive process. Keep that in mind. What is the greatest challenge in growing hemp? See if our farmers can attest to this. Genetics, pests, harvest, or post-processing. Most everybody said harvest. Do you agree? Yep. Your harvest is the greatest challenge in this piece, in this industry. So have a plan ready, because if you've got 10 acres, it could take you 10 people, 10 days, every single day, 10 hours a day in your fields just to get through your 10 acres. It's a lot of people, a lot of time, a lot of money. Hemp nationwide, do you expect to reduce, maintain, increase your hemp acreage next season? Nobody said reduce, because even those who failed the first year really want a second go. They know what they did wrong. They're going to make changes going into year 2. Some said they would maintain, but the majority said they were going to increase. They're going to increase their acreage. Start small. Once you're used to it, once you've got this down pat, then yes, increase your acreage. Once you know exactly what it's costing you per plant, increase your acreage. If you can cut costs, when you know how to cut costs, increase your acreage, but do not until then